How to allow remixing reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to allow people to add part of your videos to their videos as a remix in Instagram. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting. Now click on privacy, scroll down and click on reels and remix. Now you have the first option, which is allow remixing. Allow people to create reels that include your videos or part of them and download them as part of the remix. You can turn off this option and you can save it, and you can turn it on. Allow for reels and allow for feed videos. You choose I allow people for reels because this options is helping your account to grow up, your following, and your posts gonna be more famous or something like this. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.